What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the CelluCare before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the CelluCare works. What is CelluCare? CelluCare is a dietary supplement designed to support healthy blood sugar levels and assist in weight management. It is formulated with over 12 carefully selected natural ingredients, such as turmeric rhizome, cocoa bean extract, and gymnema. The supplement aims to improve overall blood health, enhance vitality, and reduce fatigue. It is based on modern scientific teachings and is known for its gentle yet powerful efficacy. Does CelluCare work? The efficacy of CelluCare lies in its meticulously crafted blend of natural ingredients renowned for their blood sugar regulating properties. Users have reported significant improvements in their blood sugar levels and overall health after incorporating CelluCare into their daily regimen. The supplement works by awakening the body's dormant feedback loop, which regulates blood sugar and enables a more balanced and healthier internal environment. Furthermore, including scientifically backed components enhances the body's ability to combat fatigue and promote energetic well-being. What are the ingredients in CelluCare? CelluCare boasts over 12 carefully selected ingredients, each contributing uniquely to support blood sugar levels and overall health. These ingredients include turmeric rhizome. Turmeric rhizome, a well-known spice in traditional medicine, is significant in supporting blood sugar levels. Its active compound, curcumin, has potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that help enhance cellular function and insulin sensitivity. This natural ingredient aids in maintaining balanced blood sugar levels, making it an essential component for individuals managing diabetes or pre-diabetes conditions. Cocoa bean extract. Cocoa bean extract is another vital ingredient in CelluCare, renowned for its ability to support blood flow. Rich in flavonoids, particularly epicatechin, cocoa bean extract enhances nitric oxide levels in the body, leading to improved vascular function. This results in better blood circulation, reduced blood pressure, and overall cardiovascular health, contributing to the body's efficient nutrient and oxygen delivery systems. Eleuthero. Eleuthero, often called Siberian ginseng, is celebrated for its ability to increase energy and reduce fatigue. This adaptogenic herb helps the body resist physical and mental stress, promoting endurance and vitality. By enhancing the body's resilience to stress, Eleuthero supports overall energy levels, making it easier to maintain an active and healthy lifestyle. Balance blood sugar naturally with CelluCare. Gymnema. Gymnema sylvestre, a traditional Ayurvedic herb, supports heart health and blood sugar regulation. Gymnemic acids, the active compounds in gymnema, help reduce sugar absorption in the intestines and enhance insulin function. Gymnema promotes healthy cholesterol levels and cardiovascular function, making it a dual benefit ingredient for metabolic and heart health. Juniper berry. Juniper berry is included in CelluCare for its ability to reduce blood pressure. The berries contain antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that help dilate blood vessels, improving blood flow and reducing hypertension. By supporting a healthy blood pressure range, juniper berry contributes to cardiovascular health and reduces the risk of heart-related issues. Pine bark extract. Pine bark extract is a powerful antioxidant that helps reduce inflammation. Rich in proanthocyanidins, this extract neutralizes free radicals and diminishes inflammatory responses in the body. By lowering inflammation, pine bark extract supports joint health, improves skin conditions, and enhances overall immune function, making it a multifaceted ingredient for maintaining well-being. Banana leaf. Banana leaf is an ingredient known for improving digestion and promoting heart health. It contains coralic acid, which has been shown to lower blood glucose levels and enhance insulin sensitivity. Additionally, banana leaf supports digestive health by promoting healthy gut bacteria and reducing digestive discomfort, thereby contributing to overall metabolic and cardiovascular health. Butcher's broom. Butcher's broom is included in CelluCare for its ability to support better blood circulation. This herb contains ruscogenins, compounds that strengthen blood vessels and improve vascular tone. By enhancing blood flow and reducing venous insufficiency, Butcher's broom helps alleviate symptoms of poor circulation, such as swelling and fatigue, supporting overall cardiovascular function and limb health. Each ingredient has been chosen for its efficacy in managing blood sugar and supporting overall health, making CelluCare a potent supplement for those looking to naturally improve their blood sugar levels. CelluCare benefits. Blood sugar support. CelluCare is meticulously formulated to support healthy blood sugar levels, a crucial aspect of overall wellness. Utilizing a blend of over 12 carefully selected ingredients, including turmeric rhizome and gymnema, the supplement naturally regulates blood sugar. This support is vital for individuals seeking to maintain balanced glucose levels, reducing the risk of diabetes-related complications. By incorporating CelluCare into your daily routine, you can work towards achieving more stable blood sugar readings, contributing to your long-term health goals. Improved blood health. In addition to blood sugar support, CelluCare is designed to enhance overall blood health. Ingredients like cocoa bean extract and juniper berries are known for their beneficial effects on blood flow and blood pressure. Improved circulation and reduced inflammation contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system, essential for efficient nutrient and oxygen delivery throughout the body. Enhanced blood health supports your heart and improves overall physical performance and recovery. Vitality and energy. One of CelluCare's standout benefits is its ability to boost energy and vitality. With components such as eleuthero and pine bark extract, the supplement combats fatigue and increases overall energy levels. This is particularly beneficial for those who often feel drained or lack the stamina to get through the day. By improving your energetic well-being, CelluCare helps you stay active and engaged, making pursuing a healthy, balanced lifestyle more leisurely. Enhanced vitality also means enjoying a more productive day at work, home, or exercise. Integrating CelluCare into your daily regimen supports your blood sugar goals, enhances your blood health, and boosts your vitality and energy levels. This comprehensive approach to wellness makes CelluCare a valuable addition to your health toolkit,